Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be covering Selenium in Python. In this video, we're gonna be doing a project with Selenium, which is a method called learning by doing. So I'm gonna be learning, and you guys can follow. I'm gonna be doing the project, and you guys can follow along. This is part one of a series on this channel. And the project that we're gonna be doing is what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a Bing searching bot, which is just gonna search random stuff on Bing. And what that does is, if you search random stuff on Bing, it gives you Bing points, which goes into Microsoft rewards, which you can later redeem for gift cards and other stuff, and like sweepstake entries. So let's just get started. So first, we're gonna import what we need. I'm just gonna import my config file, which is just my data file that I have for my credentials, just so you guys don't see it. And then we're gonna import time. Then we're gonna write from Selenium import WebDriver. And then we're gonna write from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common keys dot common, and then dot keys, and then we're gonna import keys. That's a capital K. Okay, then the last thing we need to import is random, so we just write import. This is so we can generate our random stuff that we need to search in the bot. We can just write import random. Okay, to get started, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna define our browser variable, which is where we're gonna go all of our tabs, do all of our searching. You can just write browser equals to WebDriver dot Chrome, parentheses, and then this is just the path where you have your WebDriver installed. I'm just gonna copy over my path, but if you guys don't know where it's installed, you can just install it fresh. You can just go on to install WebDriver, search that on Google or whatever search engine you're running, and then you can just follow the directions it has there. This is my path. And then next up, what I'm gonna be doing is Chrome is not callable. This is supposed to be a capital C. My bad. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in browser dot get, and then what I'm gonna write in here is the link that you need to go to search the login page for Bing. I'm just gonna paste that into a long link. You guys can just copy it. It'll be in the link down in the description, or you guys can just go into Bing login. And then what we have to do is we have to write email equal to browser dot find element by XPath, and we can just do. And then okay, so now let's go on to Chrome or whatever search engine it is you guys are running. I can just go into Brave, which is one I'm running. It's a very good search engine. And then I can just type in the link. Okay, and I can erase these. And then I can press enter. We should take us to this login page. Then we can click sign in. I have to log out of my account. Sign out. And then this is the page it's gonna bring us to. Refresh it. Sign in. Okay, and then we need to go over here, click inspect, and then click inspect again. And then over here we have to find the input tag. My bad, I accidentally closed it. Inspect. And I can just close this part. This is the email. So, and then this is like, so it's how when we hover over this, it hovers over that one. So we can just right click on this, copy XPath. Then you can just go back into here and just paste that XPath. Okay, and then what we can do is we can write. Let me do that. We can just write email dot send keys, and then you can just write config dot email. This I have in my file, but in here you can just you guys can type in strings, your email ID, and then we can just press enter, and then we can have it sleep for a second, so it stops time dot sleep in like 2 seconds. And then next up we have to enter our password, which I'm just gonna, first we have to click the next button, so we can go back onto our Brave browser here. And then, so you guys see this next button right here, we can just right click this, click inspect. Here's the button, right click this, click copy. You guys know the drill. Copy XPath, go back onto our, click next, equals browser dot find element by XPath, and then we can just paste in the XPath that we copied. My bad guys, this is supposed to be normal strings or else it gets messed up, so just do normal strings. And then next we can just click next dot click, so this just clicks the button, next button. Then we can have it sleep again, dot sleep for like 2 seconds. And now we can enter in our password. Now we can go back onto our Brave tab. I can just type in my email, it's saved in here. I can go to next. My password I can delete. Click this. Then I can click inspect. Here's the password. I can just click copy and copy XPath again. Then go back into our IntelliJ, and then just click password equal to browser dot find element by XPath, and then single strings, and then that, and then we can just do password dot send keys, and then we can just type in, I can just type in config dot password, but you guys can type in your password in strings, and then I can just click time dot sleep, because then it needs to sleep, otherwise it'll go way too fast, and the Bing might not, we're not doing it actually, it's like our bot. And then we can just click the next again, next equals, okay, let me go find it. We just back onto here. It's actually called sign in, but we can just call it next. Okay, it's right here. We can click copy XPath, and go back in here. Click browser dot find element by XPath, normal string, paste it in. Then we can do next dot click. And this should be enough to get us signed in, which is all we're gonna do in this video. In the next video, we're actually gonna be searching the actual stuff so we can actually make the points. If you like this video, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's real quick run this bot to see if it works. We just click run, opens a new tab. Let me full screen this. Enters our email, clicks next, enters our password, and then clicks sign in. And then boom, we're signed in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. And that's gonna be it for this video. Peace.